Something to be said for chaos. When we enter a stress situation, it can very quickly lead to chaos, and chaos being the idea of the uncontrollable. Most things we cannot control. Not some things, most things. Most things are chaotic. Chaos is the void, the emptiness. There is nothing there. You'll feel it on a daily basis. We have to fill it with a type of meaning. When we're playing these games and it starts to get chaotic, yes, it is a chaos. And we want to come to this chaos because we cannot control everything. So, what can we do? We bring ourselves back to anchor points, something we can ground ourselves in. How can we bring them to the point of chaos and help them realize, okay, this is chaotic, but I have mechanisms to manage this. If we can bring ourselves back from the idea of just hanging in the void and going, ah! And then realize that no, we have a few webs we can hold on to. This is where we play. Let the chaos fill, let the chaos fill, accept it, this is your life now. Fortunately, this is the way it is. Breathe, lift off that. Girls, stop the lava. Okay, girls. Good. What we do know is that play is essential for all parts of health. Okay? So it has more of this aspect to it rather than notice, as the Wu-Tang Clan say, I'm protecting my neck.